Traveling to exotic destinations can be a dream come true, but it often comes with the misconception that it's only for those with deep pockets. However, with some savvy planning and a willingness to explore creatively, you can experience the wonders of exotic locales without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll share the best tips for traveling to exotic destinations on a budget, ensuring that your adventure is not only affordable but also unforgettable. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start. 1. Research and plan ahead. One of the first steps in budget travel is to research and plan your trip meticulously. Start by selecting an exotic destination that fits your budget and interests. Websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak can help you find affordable flights, and you can use platforms like Airbnb or Booking.com to find budget-friendly accommodations. Research local food and transportation options to avoid tourist traps and inflated prices. 2. Travel off-peak. Timing is everything when it comes to budget travel. Avoid peak tourist seasons and try to travel during shoulder seasons or off-peak periods. Not only will you save money on flights and accommodations, but you'll also enjoy a more authentic and less crowded experience. 3. Use budget airlines and fare alerts. Keep an eye out for budget airlines that offer competitive prices. Sign up for fare alerts on travel websites and apps to get notified of discounts and special offers. Flexibility with your travel dates can help you score the best deals. 4. Consider alternative airports. Instead of flying directly to your destination, explore the possibility of arriving at a nearby airport. Often, smaller airports have cheaper flights, and you can reach your exotic destination via a short, budget-friendly train or bus ride. 5. Embrace local transportation. When you arrive at your destination, opt for local transportation like buses, trams, and subways instead of expensive taxis or private cars. Public transport can save you money and provide a more authentic experience. In many exotic destinations, you can even rent bicycles or scooters for a fun and cost-effective way to explore. 6. Stay in budget accommodations. Exotic destinations often offer a variety of budget-friendly accommodations. Hostels, guest houses, and homestays are excellent options to meet fellow travelers and save on lodging expenses. Airbnb and couchsurfing can also provide unique and affordable places to stay while connecting with locals. 7. Eat like a local. Food is a significant part of any travel experience, and exotic destinations are no exception. Skip the expensive tourist restaurants and opt for local eateries and street food stalls. Not only will you savor authentic cuisine, but you'll also save money. Exploring local markets can be a great way to try different dishes on a budget. 8. Cook your own meals. If you have access to a kitchen in your accommodation, consider cooking your own meals. Shopping at local markets and preparing your food can be a budget-friendly and culturally enriching experience. 9. Travel with a group. Traveling with friends or family can significantly reduce expenses. Shared accommodations, transportation costs, and group discounts can make your exotic adventure more affordable. Plus, it's a fantastic opportunity to create lasting memories together. 10. Use local currency. When making transactions, especially for street shopping or dining, use the local currency. This can help you avoid unfavorable exchange rates and extra fees. ATMs in tourist areas might charge higher withdrawal fees, so plan your cash needs wisely. 11. Prioritize free and low-cost activities. Exotic destinations are full of unique experiences that don't cost a fortune. Research free or low-cost activities such as hiking, exploring local neighborhoods, visiting public parks, or attending cultural events. You'll discover the true essence of the destination without emptying your wallet. 12. Learn basic phrases. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in budget travel. Locals appreciate the effort, and it can lead to better deals, more authentic interactions, and a deeper cultural understanding. 13. Travel with a reusable water bottle. Invest in a reusable water bottle to reduce the cost and environmental impact of buying bottled water. Many exotic destinations have safe tap water, and some accommodations provide filtered water stations. 14. Negotiate and bargain. In many exotic destinations, bargaining is a common practice. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices when shopping at local markets or for services like taxis and tours. Politeness and a smile can go a long way in getting a better deal. 15. Travel insurance. While it may seem counterintuitive, having travel insurance is an essential part of budget travel. It can protect you from unexpected expenses due to flight cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Shop around for affordable options that cover your specific needs. Conclusion. Traveling to exotic destinations on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing the quality of your experience. With careful planning, flexibility, and a sense of adventure, you can explore the world's most enchanting places without breaking the bank. Embrace the local culture, savor the authentic flavors, and connect with people from different walks of life. By following these tips, you'll create memories to last a lifetime while keeping your finances in check. Happy travels! What you think about the video, let me know in comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.